To fix an error code 22 error on a Bosch cooktop, it's essential to understand what this error code means. Essentially, error code 22 indicates a problem with the communication between the control board and the touchpad. This issue can arise due to a fault in the communication between these two components. To resolve the problem, start by restarting the cooktop. Unplug it from the power supply by switching off the circuit breaker or removing the plug from the socket. Next, remove all items from the cooktop's surface and leave it unplugged for up to 45 minutes. After this period, switch the power supply back on. Turn on the cooktop, and try using it to see if the error persists. If the issue remains, it may indicate a technical problem with the appliance. In this case, contact the manufacturer's customer care service, which is available around the clock, for guidance on the next steps. If the cooktop is still under warranty, the manufacturer will repair it free of charge.